Hi students, in this video we are going to continuation of exercise 1.1. Okay, next see question number 4. Observe the commas and write down the place values of 7. Look at this question, subdivision 1. So they given 5 6 7 4 5 6 3 4 5. This is Indian place value system. Yes, split by Indian place value system. Okay. Here they are asking down the place value of digit 7. Okay. See, we have to write Indian place value method. Okay. So write them ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay. Next 5 in 1 place value and 4 in tens place value and 3 in hundreds place value and 6 in thousands place value, 5 in 10,000s place value and 4 in lakhs place value, 7 in 10 lakhs place value. So they are asking the digit 7, that 7 is in 10 lakhs place value. So answer, the place value of 7 is 7 into 10,000. 7 into 10,000 equal to 70,000. So answer 70,000. Okay. Okay, next question number 2. Look at this number. Look at the indicators. Look at the commas. They split by international place value system. Yes. Yes. They leave 3 digits and marked, and again leave 3 digits and marked comma. So this is international place value system. So answer, so we have to write international place value first. So ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place and 100,000s place. Okay, here 100,000 place, not a lakhs period, not a lakhs place. Okay, now next millions place and 10 million place and 100 million place. Okay, so where is 7? 7 in million place. So they asking the place value of 7. Okay, the place value of digit 7. So number 7 oda place value கேட்குறாங்க in international system. So 7 into 1 million. 7 into 1 million is equal to 7 million. The answer, 7 into 1 million is equal to 7 million. Okay, next question. Question number 5. Write the following numbers in the international system by using commas. Okay. So they are asking international place value system. They are given numbers without indicators, without commas. You know, look at the number. So this is very difficult to read. So we have to put indicators. That means commas. Okay, see the answer. Yes, first we have to write the international place value system. Okay, see ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, and 100 billion. Okay, see the first question. 347056. This is 6-digit number, you know. Say place them in the international place value system. 6 in ones place, 5 in tens place, and 0 in hundreds place, and 7 in thousands place, 4 in 10,000s place, 3 in 100,000s place. Okay, so there are two periods, thousands periods and ones periods. Okay, so how to split them? You just put comma in ones period. Okay, yes, okay, over. So the international place value system is here. So the number 347,056. Okay. Okay, next question. Look at this number. There are 7-digit number. Yes. So 7-digit number 7345671. So we have to place them in international place value system. After that we have to split them. So 1 in ones place, 7 in tens place, 6 in hundreds place, 5 in thousands place, 4 in 10,000s place, 3 in 100,000s place, and 7 in million place. So there are 3 periods. Very good. Ones period, thousands period, and millions period. So how many millions are there? 7 million. So first split them. Ones period, thousands period, and millions period. So answer 7,345,671. Okay. Next question. Look at this number. This is 8-digit number. Okay, 634567105. So place them in international place value system. 5 in ones place, 0 in tens place, and 1 in hundreds place, and 7 in thousands place, 6 in 10,000s place, 5 in 100,000s place, 4 in millions place, 3 in 10 million place, and finally 6 in 100 million place. So there are 3 periods. Yes, ones period, thousands period, and millions period. Okay, so how many millions are there? 634 million. How many thousands? 567,000. How many ones? 105. Okay, split them, comma and comma. So 634,567,000 and 105. Look at the next question. It's too large. So they given 10-digit numbers. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, so place them. 0 in ones place, 9 in tens place, 8 in hundreds place. Okay, 7 in thousands place, 6 in 10,000s place, 5 in 100,000 place, and 4 in million place, 3 in 10 million place, and 2 in 100 million place, and finally 1 in billion place. Okay, how many periods are there? Yes, 4 periods, all the one. So ones, thousands, millions and billions. Okay ba? So split them. 1, 2, 3. So 1,234,567,890. Okay, this is answer. Thank you, students.